Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Scorpio. What's coming to you this week for Scorpio? Okay, you have conjunction alliance. So, ito yung pagpapalakas ng iyong kakayanan sa tulong ng ibang tao. So, pwedeng merong person na supportive sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo. Or you may also be reaching out to people to collaborate and work with them. You also have Uranus, which is about change. So, merong unexpected change for some of you, Scorpio. This can be unexpected change sa career, sa relationship. So, let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So, this is your spirituality. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong unexpected spiritual awakening or realizations, no, about your true self or yung iyong pananaw sa buhay. Also have Pluto rebirth. It's a brand new you. Wow. So ang nasa-sense ko sa inyo rito, Scorpio, is merong influence ang ibang tao sa inyo, or this can be influence ng binabasa ninyo or influence ng pinapanood ninyo sa mga pagbabago na ginagawa nyo sa buhay nyo ngayon. So, major transformation ang nangyayari. Tungkol sa inyong sarili, the first house. So, this can be physical attributes, no? Yung may binabago ka sa iyong physical appearance or yung iyong mindset. Let's see what else. For Scorpio weekly energies. You have the Seven of Pentacles. Waiting for fruition. Okay? Yung mga hinihintay ninyo, especially sa pera, opportunity sa trabaho, parating na. Kumbaga, yung inyong pinaghirapan, yung inyong trinabaho and effortan, it's all paying off. Oo. So, kumbaga, ito na yung resulta. Kasi, nag-take action ka. So, ngayon, you are in the path of success. You are in the path of triumph, tagumpay. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron ding recovery. Recovery of your, kumbaga parang nagpakahirap ka, nagpakapagod ka. Tapos ngayon, ine-enjoy mo na yung pagpapahinga mo. Kasi it's time to take a rest and relax. You have the Nine of Wands. I think, very protective rin yung energy mo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na parang you are taking action at the same time, you keep it to yourself. Na parang ikaw lang yung nakakaalam, or kumbaga very limited lang yung mga tao na alam yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung meron mang ibang tao na nakakaalam, maliit lang yung porsyento na naiintindihan nila. Maari kasing you're just keeping it to yourself. Hindi ka sumusuko. Talagang ipupurso mo to, whatever this is. You have the Six of Pentacles, which is about bringing balance in your finances. Kung nagka-challenge ka financially, like yung mga needs mo, hindi mo na mi-meet, yung parang may kakulangan, ngayong week na to, makaka-recover ka na. So, maaring mas marami kang kikitain ngayon, or mas maraming, merong tulong ka na marireceive from someone, or assistance, no? Like what I mentioned kanina, meron ditong support. Let's see what else. Eight of Pentacles. This is focusing on your work and your career and your productivity. So this week, most most of you, mas magpo-focus sa finances, sa career, kung paano nyo mas mapapaunlad ang inyong kaperahan. Or yung iba may training, meron kayong ini-improve na skill set na minamaster nyo talaga yan. You have, bodybuilder, diba? You are strengthening your physical attributes, no? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nag-gym na kayo. Nagpapalakas ng katawan. Andun na yung disiplina sa inyong mga sarili. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong travel plans, wala namang magbabago sa plano na yan. Matutuloy yan. This can be a long distance travel. Yung iba sa inyo, bakasyon talaga. Bakasyon en grande. Bakasyon grande. O, diba? Very defensive, very protective yung energy niyo. Nililimit nyo lang yung mga bagay na isi-share nyo sa iba, papaalam nyo sa iba because you want to protect your peace. You also have energy ng water, which is your energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very generous and balanced and kalmado. So, I think you are tapping into your emotions. Like, alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mo. Alam mo kung ano yung dinideserve mo. And, yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi kayo nagre-resist sa mga pagbabago. Open kayo sa mga pagbabago. Kasi alam nyo, ito ay makakabuti para sa inyo. So, sa inyo namang money, career, finances. You have the Three of Pentacles, which is collaboration, working with others. This is expansion. Kung meron kang business, you are expanding your business. Mas dumadami yung iyong mga customers or yung mga products, services mo. So, merong pag-unlad. You also have the Tower, unexpected change. I think meron kang i-release. Something na parang pumipigil sa'yo of achieving your goals and dreams when it comes to your career or your business. Maaring alam mo na kailangan yung pagbabago manggaling talaga sa'yo. That's why yung Uranus and Pluto here is parang pushing you, no? Pushing you to get out of your comfort zone. Yan, to expand, to explore your opportunities. So, sa love life naman, love life ng mga Scorpio. You have the Wheel of Fortune. Uy, you are moving on. Page of Wands. Kung kayo ay galing sa separation, pwedeng matagal na or recently, I think ready na kayo to embrace a new beginning in your life. So, meron na ritong shift ng energy. You are letting go. You are letting go of the things that are no longer serving you. Para sa'yo, tapos na yung chapter ng buhay mo na yan, and you're ready to start something new. Mas energetic ka ngayon, mas playful, mas excited ka sa mga bago mo pang may experience. So, very very open. Kung single, so maaring you are now letting go of the past, no, yung trauma mo from the past, and ready ka na to go on a date, meet new friends. Ready. Okay, tinan pa natin ano yung final message. Self-worth, self-love. Ang sarap nung cake. O yung ba sa inyo mahilig sa cake? O kaya may bibilhin kayong cake? Why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? Yes. Bakit ka raw magtsatsaga sa tira-tira? 'Di ba? Kung dine-deserve mo ay ang buong meal. So, this is you focusing on yourself, loving yourself. Alam mo kasi kung ano yung dine-deserve mo. So, whether this is a relationship, sa friendship, sa career, sa trabaho mo, alam mo kung ano yung best for you, okay? And anything na hindi nagsaserve na for your highest good. You are letting that go, and you are giving yourself the things or the people that you deserve. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.